How to turn photo into cartoon in Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open a browser and go to canva.com. Sign into your account. Once you open it, you can easily go to Uploads and simply upload a file or folder, or you can also create a new design. So let's say for Instagram story. After that, you simply need to go to elements at the left side, and here you can easily search for a particular image that you want to turn the photo into cartoon in Canva. So you can upload your own or simply let me choose particular image. So let me type in girl and tap on enter. Now here you can easily go to photos and look for a particular photo of a girl. So suppose if this is a photo that I want to convert into cartoon, then you need to after that select a photo that you have uploaded here, and you need to scroll from this left panel and go to apps. Now you need to click on search Canva apps and type in cartoon, and from this list you will see Cartoonify option. Select that and let's choose Cartoonify. And here you need to click on Cartoonify and replace button and wait. So currently I have reached my credit limit. If you haven't, you can click on Cartoonify and replace and then simply turn your photo into cartoon in Canva. So alternatively, you can easily go to the apps again and search for Animify and click on open button, and we need to wait until this button comes, that is Animify and replace, and click on it. And you need to wait for a while until your new image is brought to life. And as you can see that we have successfully turned this particular photo into cartoon in Canva. So I hope this guide was very helpful and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.